Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to level up your Monopoly Go experience? Let's talk Discord, the ultimate tool for teaming up, trading stickers, and growing your net worth. First of all, join a Monopoly Go Discord server. You can find links on Reddit, Facebook groups, or by searching Monopoly Go Discord online. Inside, you will find channels for trading stickers, sharing free rolls, and even coordinating shelled events so you don't get wiped out. Need a rare sticker? Post in the trade channel list what you need and wait for someone to offer a deal. Be cautious, trade only with trusted members and check for scam warnings before sending gifts. That's it. Join in Discord, make friends, and dominate Monopoly Go. Got questions? Drop them below. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.